New data shows thousands of Hurricane Helene victims are struggling to get help because they did not have flood insurance.
Many of those homeowners are right here in Florida. WESH 2's Sanai Gebrigadigas spoke with experts about the troubling gap.
Hurricane Helene should be a wake-up call.
I have a neighbor whose house will need to be demolished. They've never had flooding in 50 years of living there. No flood insurance means no help in a situation like this.
According to the Insurance Information Institute, about 80% of Floridians do not have flood insurance. Trevor Burgess with Neptune Flood says the gap rings trouble.
You need to ignore those flood zones. Those are bureaucratic maps that were made a long time ago that don't take climate change into effect.
Usually people think flood insurance is a must only if you live along the coast, but let's talk about inland. Take this neighborhood, for instance, Wadeview Park in Orlando. Not in a flood zone, but these homes flooded so quickly after just getting heavy rain.
That water came rushing down from all their downspouts. It blew out underneath my fence. Mulch all over the place.
Larry Dominguez has lived here for 22 years without flood insurance and says he's never experienced flooding until a rainy weekend in early September.
We're not in a flood zone, and I'm afraid, to be honest with you, to reach out to my insurance company claiming now I need flood insurance. They're going to wonder why.
The reality is that nowhere in Florida is safe when it comes to the impact of not even just hurricanes, but just heavy rain.
A homeowner's policy does not cover the risk of flooding. Orlando State Rep Ana Villascamani says many Floridians go without flood insurance because of the cost, and if they request it, an insurance company may think they're too risky.
I really think we need to take some potential steps to create a publicly backed disaster insurance option that folks can tap into when they are experiencing, whether it's windstorm coverage or flood damage from a hurricane.
In Orange County, Sanai Gebrigadigas, WESH 2 News.
We are still in hurricane season, so Floridians are encouraged to get flood insurance while they can. An option for coverage is the National Flood Insurance Program.